Alrighty then. Happy 4th of July, Telluride. Here we go. There we go. That's what I like to see. Yep. Here we go. Yeah. Not quite a full moon over there, but we got close to one. And here begins our fireworks show.
That bird almost hit my head. Everybody saw that, right? Yeah. Okay.
A bird almost hit your head? Alrighty then, look at this. Fireworks and a moon. If only this iPhone could show the silhouette of the mountains in the background, which unfortunately it cannot do, but you know. Beggars can't be choosers from what I've heard. Okay. Whoa! Look at that one. Let's do another big one that's purple.
You're talking in my video.
And I'm talking in my video too. So calm down.
Hey, why don't you walk a mile? This guy.
I probably already have.